This is Jill, and thank you for coming into my kitchen today. I am making a delicious, fresh, healthy, light, springy salad. It's based with quinoa and a lot of great vegetables. And what's wonderful about the dressing is that it's non-mayonnaise. So if you're going to a potluck or a barbecue or you want to eat outside, you'll be able to leave this out for a while and not be too concerned about it. So let's get started. What I have here is a bowl of cooked quinoa, and if you'd like to know how to make perfect quinoa either on the stove or in the Instant Pot, I have two recipes and I will leave you a link. So what I have here is, I said, the quinoa, then I have some English cucumber, some bell pepper, some green onions, a carrot, some celery, cherry tomatoes, fresh parsley, and some, this is my little secret weapon. This is jalapeno. If you don't want to have a jalapeno in your salad, then don't put it in there. I'm going to get chopping, and once we are ready to assemble this, we'll be back. So fresh. It just smells amazing. It just smells like spring and just freshness. And I have different textures and different ways that it's cut up, so it gives your salad a little interest. So I'm going to bring my bowl in here, and I'm just going to start adding all of these items to it. There goes the carrots, different colors. Oh, it's just beautiful, huh? What a lovely thing to have on a table. Here comes the celery and the green onions. And I'll throw the parsley in there. The cucumbers, cucumbers just smell so good. And the tomatoes. And this is a wonderful, wonderful salad. A lot of vegetables. All right, gonna give this a good stir. Even though all of those vegetables are in there, the quinoa really is still a star, isn't it? Okay, now I'm going to add a few other items. Now I am going to add the jalapeno. I'm going to probably add about half of that. I'm going to add whatever. I'm going to add it all. There we go. And then I have some garbanzo beans here. If you had black beans, kidney beans, something that you have that you might like to add instead of garbanzo beans. Of course, garbanzo beans are very high in protein, and so is the quinoa. You get a lot of fiber, a lot of minerals. All right, and then I have some black olives. Here again is some more texture, some more color. I think I'm going to add that whole can. I'm going to leave a few there for the director. And his hand is reaching in as we speak. He took that can right off the counter. All right, this looks fab. I'm going to put together my little collection of salad dressings, and we'll be back. All right, now what I'm going to put on this salad is a very light lemon olive oil. And if you have a good quality olive oil, this is the place to use it. And this is only going to take about a tablespoon of oil. And then I have, of course, my fresh lemons, and that's one more delicious layer of freshness. And we're going to squeeze this on. And this will be something, the dressing you'll have to taste as you go to see is it enough lemon, is it not enough lemon. But generally, a whole lemon's about right. And I'm going to stir that in. And now the lemon fragrance, just wonderful. And I'm going to add a little salt here, not much, but a little salt, just a good pinch. And then I'm going to add a little lemon pepper just to amp up that lemon flavor. And there's a little pepper in there, and I may have to add some additional pepper. Then I've got some garlic powder. About I don't know, maybe a 1/4 teaspoon of that. And then a little onion powder. And again, I'm trying to just keep this a light but flavorful dressing. And I'm going to get myself a little tasting spoon so I can see how I am doing with that lemon flavor. Hear the crunch in my mouth. It is really, really good. Is this not a beautiful, beautiful bowl of goodness? I mean, it, first of all, it just smells amazing. And the colors and the textures are just super. So I'm going to put this, I'm going to cover it, I'm going to put it in the refrigerator. And really, after a couple of hours, once it's all, good and cold, it will be ready to eat. And I'll come back and we will give it a little sample. So we'll be back. That looks just so good. I'm going to give it just a little crack of fresh black pepper, and then I'm going to give it a taste. I can't wait to take a taste of this. That is so good. I think it needs just a little bit more lemon, and I will put a squeeze more lemon on this, but having said that, it is delicious. All those wonderful flavors in there, crisp, fresh. You got to try this out. And what I try to do is to inspire you. You may not have all these ingredients, or you may say, gee, I'd like to trade this out for that. That's where I try to inspire you to try something different and go your own way. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. I hope you'll continue to watch my videos and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.